you might be struggling to find a strategy or to build a strategy so you can keep winning in the forex market. Don't worry, I will show you how to use price action trading strategy to be profitable in the forex market with 0.0% stress. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can utilize this strategy and win big in the forex market. Even the pros, most of them don't know how to use price action trading. Before we dive right into the video, my name is James Gides, teach you how to make some cool lot of money as a trader and show you the best strategy that will keep fetching you cool lot of cash in the forex market. If you are new here, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will miss some amazing videos from me, and let's dive right into it. So what is price action trading strategy? Price action trading is a strategy that relies solely on historical price movement without using indicators. Traders analyze candlesticks patterns, support and resistance levels, right? And market structure to make trading decisions. Right now, here is the step-by-step guide to learn how to analyze charts as a pro and start benefiting as a trader. Understood? So let me take you to my chart. So as you can see right here on my chart, there's no indicators. Possibly let me just do away with the stuffs right here so we can start afresh. Even if you are a beginner, you should be able, right, to analyze the market at any given time by yourself and place trade by yourself. That's what I want to do for you that's possibly watching. So smash the like button. If you pay a very close attention, I'm telling you, you're gonna win big in the market. So let's turn our face and select a random area. So let's go with this. If you're a new trader, let me tell you something and let me clear you. This point is your support. Where price hit and get back up is your support. As you can see over here, here's your support. And where price hit and get back down is your resistance. Here, your resistance, right? Here, your resistance. Right here, like this, your resistance. Right here is our resistance. So I hope that is clear enough. Please, if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. At this area, the market is not clear yet. Now at this point, I'm going to mark out my resistance. Right, I'm going to mark out my support. High here, we have high, have low, have another low. See, support and resistance. So now, so price might get here, right? Or price will get back to retest this zone, right? And pull back up, right? Or price will get to this place. If it breaks it, then we are going to take our profits right here. Now, not just to break it, after two candlesticks, right? Because here serves as our confirmation zone, right? Once it breaks here, right? And retest this place, right? And retest the zone and get back up, get here and break here, then we keep buying. More understood? So let's play the market. Now price is coming back down to retest, as I said earlier. All right, that's what price we do there. Now it's retesting that zone. All right, think I have two candlesticks above this, but for this price to be confirmed, it has to go above this. Don't jump into the market despite giving us a W pattern. That's not what we are in today, but you don't need to get into the market until it breaks this high here. Now let's replay. Now, not confirmed, the last one. Thank you. At this point, we can go in for buy, right? Because it gets to this place to respect this zone, since it could not break here and keep pushing back up, right? That is why you have to be patient while taking trade. Right now, there's no indicator telling us what to do. Yeah, so at this point, we are going to get into the market. We're going to get into the market. Now we're going to place our take profit over here, because all the zone is being respected, and place our stop loss below here. Let's put it here. Okay, let's replay. Let's see what price we do. For instance, if you put your stop loss somewhere here, it would have taken you out, right? If you put your stop loss very close, it would have taken you out. So let's get going. All right. Okay. We're already in profit, right? We're already in profit. So at this point, we take our profit here, right? Because this price, we get to this area to retest this area here. That's how to use price action strategy to win big in the markets. Now, let's look for opportunity to enter the markets. All right. Now, okay, guys. Could this be a retest or a break? Because we are seeing another chart pattern over here. We are seeing an M pattern, right? At this place, we see a W pattern. See, subscribe to the channel. What is this price trying to do, right? Is it trying to pull back down, or is trying to keep pushing up because it has retested the zone, right? Retest the zone. So we are waiting for a breakout for confirmation. On the norms, you are supposed to enter the market over here. Immediately it breaks this area, you are supposed to enter and start selling. But now we have gone past that level, right? So let's see what price we do. It's not clear yet. Thank you. At this point, as you can see, we have long week. The price is coming back down, right? But at this point, we are to enter short. From this place, right? Enter short here. Put your stop loss above this, right? Our first profit, our second profit will be somewhere here, right? So let's go, guys. All right. See what the price is doing. Okay. And we are already in profit like twice. All right, taking time. All right, thank you very much. It has hit our profit here. Now our take profit, we have 2 wins. We already have 2 wins, right? We already have 2 wins. So let's see what price will tell us at this area. We have a resistance here. We have a resistance there. We also have a resistance here. So at this point, we're waiting for this to play out, right? We have our resistance up, we have our support and resistance crossing over themselves here, right? So at this time, we are waiting for price to go over this resistance or go below the support. As a beginner, you can possibly use this strategy and be profitable, no matter how new you are in the Forex market. So let's replay. Wow, that's a high breakout there. High breakout, like the breakout is massive. It's supposed to enter. Immediately it gets crossed, right? Our support and resistance, but we didn't mark it out early. Now it has gotten to another resistance zone here. So we need to wait for this candlestick to close, right? Have to wait for the candlestick to close. Thank you. Are you seeing what is happening there? All right. Okay, it's retesting the zone. So at this time, we are supposed to get into the market. All right. Supposed to get into the market, place our order. So take our first profit here. right? It's kind of short, but let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's go. All right. Okay. Whew. Guys, look at something here. Look at it. The price almost take us out. So let's go. And that's why I mostly tell people that if price did not get to your stop loss, please hold on, since you've already entered the market, because your stop loss simply means this is what you are willing to risk. As you can see over here, the same thing happened. How I wish we placed our stop loss close by, or fear set in, and we close the trade here, we would have been lost, right? That's how it is. So be confident in your trade. Let me show you guys something. We're waiting for price to retest here. If it breaks it, fine. So we are waiting for price to retest this place. Let me do away with this. We are waiting for price to retest this resistance zone because we already have our support here. So as you can see, we already have our support. So we are waiting for price to go above this, then we go on buy, right? Or we are waiting for price to get below this, like 2 candlesticks, then we go on sell. So let's replay the market. Okay, I'm seeing multiple rejection there. Good. Don't get into the market until you see like 2 candlesticks. All right, okay, all right. It's ranging. It's ranging back to back again. So we have our new high here. Let's go. Oh man, market is ranging. Okay, fine. It has gone above where we are supposed to enter. This is possibly the highest high it has been so far, right? So we have our resistance here, right? Okay, and we have our support here because it's the new candlestick. We are waiting for price to get above these two. Let's deal with this now. This will serve as our take profits. We are waiting for price to get below this. Like with 2 candlesticks, or price to go above this to confirm, right? So let's go, guys. So there's a confirmation here that I'm supposed to enter the market. Here I'm seeing a rejection candle with long wick, right? Now then your stop loss above this a little bit in case it reverses back, right? So let's go, guys. Smash the like button, right? So you can see, all right, so seeing more weeks, all right, see more weeks. All right, thank you. Boom, our take profits taken. Sorry, where is it? Our take profit taken. So you can also do the same and way more. So see you guys in the next video. Stick to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.